What if we could capture solar energy in space and transmit it back to Earth to meet our energy needs? That's the idea behind lunar solar power.
If this is the first time you are visiting our channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button.
The efficiency of solar panels on Earth is limited by factors such as atmospheric absorption, cloud cover, and the day-night cycle. On the Moon, however, there is no atmosphere, no clouds, and no night. This means that solar panels could capture solar energy much more efficiently, potentially generating up to 10 times more energy per unit area than on Earth. Building solar power plants on the Moon might sound like science fiction, but it's an idea that has been proposed by scientists for several decades. The concept is simple: capture solar energy more efficiently by taking advantage of the Moon's lack of atmosphere and the constant exposure to sunlight, and transmit it back to Earth using the microwave or other forms of wireless power transmission. The benefits of lunar solar power are clear. It's a renewable and sustainable energy source that could potentially meet our energy needs for centuries to come. And because the Moon is always exposed to sunlight, we could capture solar energy more efficiently than we can on Earth. While the initial investment in lunar solar power would be significant, the cost of generating and transmitting energy could be significantly lower than other forms of renewable energy, such as wind or solar power on Earth. This is because there would be no need for energy storage systems, as the Moon is always exposed to sunlight, and there would be no need for expensive transmission infrastructure, as the energy could be transmitted wirelessly. Lunar solar power has the potential to generate massive amounts of energy, potentially meeting all of humanity's energy needs several times over. This could help to address energy poverty in developing countries and reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, which contribute to climate change.
If you want us to make this kind of video, make sure you comment below and do not forget to subscribe.
Lunar solar power would have a much lower environmental impact than traditional power sources, as it would not produce any greenhouse gas emissions, air pollution, or water pollution. It would also not require land use, as solar panels could be deployed in space, freeing up land on Earth for other uses. But how would we transmit the solar power back to Earth? The answer is through microwave or other forms of wireless power transmission. While this technology is still in its early stages, scientists and engineers have been working on it for several years and have already made significant progress. Of course, building a solar power plant on the Moon would be no small feat. We would need to develop the necessary technology, transport the equipment and materials to the Moon, and build and maintain the necessary infrastructure. But despite the challenges, many scientists and engineers believe that lunar solar power could be a viable energy source for the future. Who knows, maybe one day we'll look up at the Moon and see a new source of energy that could help power our world.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification.